pause everything because we have something special for you. Whether you want to know about the latest innovations or just enjoy watching amazing machines in action, you won't want to miss this. But before we start, click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Let's go. A huge magnet is being used to transport crushed metal objects to a barge. Seamless synchronization of the press and its side parts allows it to make perfect cuts into stone tiles. Humans will never be able to handle dough better than this fine-tuned conveyor belt. This awesome device can perfectly fill a paint bucket to the brim without spilling a single drop. And check out this mechanism that can turn hot metal into a cable. The accuracy of this metal marking machine is simply amazing. A special thermoforming film is used to give travel luggage its color while also making it shock and scratch resistant. New lead sheets are created from melted old ones by pouring them into a sand mold. All it takes is a small knife mounted on a spool to cut miles of polypropylene. Discover this unusual mechanism for making braided cheese. This is the most accurate product sorter ever. This 3D printer uses chalk-enriched filament to create masterpieces with a silky finish. Multi-level milling is definitely its own separate art form. Check this out, just 1 second and you've got a box. The continuous rotation of this mechanism helps to evenly distribute the dye for various flavors of toffee. Who would have thought that a chain link fence is made on a loom like a piece of fabric? And we now present to you the powerful machine that cooks your favorite noodles 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The water pressure in this machine is strong enough to engrave a flawless design on glass and even metal. And here's how cool they make lenses for ski goggles. This slicer is so fast, it can cut up pepperoni and bacon at a speed of 2,000 pieces per minute. Just one touch of a hot metal rod and the protective styrofoam box is ready. When we take a sip from a glass bottle, we have no clue about the complex process that goes into its manufacture. By filling the old pipe with an inliner, you can repair it without replacing it. This fast-spinning mechanism will knock the dust out of even the dirtiest carpet. This mechanism makes it so that you don't have to catch eggshells anymore. It also perfectly separates the yolks from the whites. A $320 Mercedes part simply turns to dust under this press. Take a look at the carbon fiber weaving process for creating aircraft and spacecraft frames. Check out this hypnotic technique for evenly coloring silicone. And this smart conveyor sorts fish by weight and quality. This mechanism cuts and seals a bag in one motion, making the water inside it immediately ready for use. This machine makes it easy to thread 1,800 rods per hour. This cute little thing that can instantly cheer up anyone in the world actually has quite a lengthy manufacturing process. Immerse yourself in the fascinating process of Japanese chopstick sharpening. Watch as this press turns an old car into a compact hunk of metal by folding it like a sheet of paper. Removing old cable coatings is a breeze when you've got this tricky mechanism. Soldering with this device makes it look like somebody's doing magic outside of Hogwarts. And this is a conveyor system designed for the continuous production of aluminum caps. Check out this ultra-fast professional technique for removing leftover cardstock after printing. With the press of a button, this roll cutter can work wonders. This machine gives potato chips such an interesting shape, you just want to reach for another handful. True satisfaction is when a cutting device makes it possible to see the line between two sides of one piece. Here's a factory that carries out the painstaking process of producing the perfect golf balls. A tree baler is used to hold the branches for safe removal and transportation of trees. A machine with 20 buckets is used to unload sand from a barge by raking it in one bucket at a time. Ice cream production is a fully mechanized and streamlined process. Look, this milling cutter slices through aluminum smoother than a knife through hot butter. Say goodbye to the hassle of slicing a pineapple with this amazing gadget. This high-pressure mop leaves streets spotless and sparkling. Lumberjacks can finally forget about back pain and calluses. A person can create a unique design when fully in sync with this machine. A mallet turned out to be the almighty shredder's weakness, like kryptonite to Superman. And here's the incredibly hypnotizing process of harvesting natural salmon caviar. Your car will never rust again after taking a dip in this pool. This machine precisely cuts turf to the right size, rolls it up, and packs it on pallets for transport. And this machine presses cotton right out in the field as soon as it's picked. Watch how freshly cooked spaghetti is shaped by squeezing it through special faucets. The saw is a powerful tool without a doubt, but these ones raise the bar. Check out this giant helicopter saw. And that brings us to the end of this satisfying video. Let us know in the comments which mechanism you'd like to try out yourself. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video so we can bring you more exciting content. See you soon.